Bitcoin hovers near $28,000 mark on short squeeze. Celsius ex-CEO Alex Mashinsky seeks to squash US FTC case. Virtune AB to launch Virtune Sustainable Bitcoin ETP on Nasdaq Stockholm. Texas welcomes Crypto Freedom Alliance to shape a Web3 future. Binance pledges $3 million for earthquake relief effort in Morocco. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets were trading mixed as market participants witnessed potential selling pressure from bankrupt exchange FTX following an unexpected widespread dump of several tokens. However, Bitcoin closed the gap near $26,000 crucial levels, helped by short squeeze, a rally powered by an unwinding of bearish derivatives bets. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.4% at 33,470 points. Interestingly, the IMF and FSB issued a joint policy paper on cryptocurrency that advised against adopting broad bans to reduce risk connected with the industry and in support of suited limitations and good monetary policy. Earlier in the day, broader markets witnessed a selling pressure that was led by slump in Solana, Ripple and others on rumors that defunct crypto exchange FTX is planning to sell a large percentage of its assets. FTX is reportedly seeking permission from the court to liquidate its $3.4 billion worth of cryptocurrency holdings, including Sol and other cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, the latest crash saw the BTC drop below the consolidation of the past few trading days, with the bearish breakdown looking at price action cancelling bulls of August 31st and setting an increased selling pressure, analysts said. Amid high liquidity pressure, there's an update to provide little relief. Animoca Brands, a Web3 and gaming firm, has successfully raised $20 million to hasten the creation of its Metaverse platform. In other news, Ethereum blockchain witnessed major outflows from institutional investors in the year 2023, with sales surpassing over $108 million year to date, marking it the most liquidated digital asset among large entities. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.04 trillion mark, increasing 2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 60% to $37.5 billion. According to blockchain analytics platform LookOnChain, several whales have reportedly opted to sell millions of ARB coins, resulting in a loss of over $8 million. However, the price of the native token layer 2 scaling solution ARB has fallen sharply recently, falling over 30% in the past month. The cumulative open interest in futures and perpetual swaps trading on Binance, Bybit, OKX and Deribit dropped from $5.05 billion to $4.8 billion. Open interest is the total number of futures or options contracts which are currently outstanding or have open positions in the market. US stock futures were trading mixed as investors came off a positive day. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped by 0.03%. S&P 500 futures inched down marginally, while Nasdaq 100 futures were trading near the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $25,852, up by 0.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,587. BNB was up by 0.8% to trade at $210. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up by 3% and was trading at $18.3. Talking about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 2% to trade at $0.24. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.4, higher 1%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.8% at $0.061. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.7%. Talking about Polkadot, it was up by 0.3% to trade at $4. However, Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.4% to trade at $0.50, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 0.5%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Alex Mashinsky, founder and former chief executive officer of crypto lender Celsius, sought to have the Federal Trade Commission drop its case against him in a Monday court filing. Celsius filed for bankruptcy last year as the crypto winter set in, and Mashinsky was arrested in July following a joint move by the consumer protection body, the Department of Justice, and Securities and Commodities regulators. He has previously pleaded not guilty to multiple counts of fraud and manipulating the price of the CEL token, charges his lawyers have said are baseless. Now they say the court should also dismiss FTC claims that he misled investors. In parallel, U.S. Attorney Damian Williams asked the court to put FTC proceedings on hold to avoid prejudicing the parallel criminal case. Virtuon, a Swedish regulated asset manager of digital assets in Sweden, is launching an innovative Bitcoin ETP on Nasdaq Stockholm in the race to reduce emissions, consumptions, and environmental impacts. In order to achieve carbon neutrality, Virtuon is launching Virtuon's Sustainable Bitcoin ETP, which will provide sustainable exposure to Bitcoin through carbon offsetting. The ETP is 100% carbon neutral and fully physically backed, and the ETP is listed in SEK for the benefits of Swedish investors. This product offers investors in the Nordic region a sustainable investment in the largest cryptocurrency in the world while adhering to a transparent, physically backed framework with institutional level security. However, Virtuon has decided to use Coinbase as the cryptocurrency custodian for all of its ETPs, which is the same custodian that BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, plans to use for its spot Bitcoin ETF in the USA. This product is aimed for institutional and retail investors who consider Bitcoin as an attractive option to establish asset classes like equities and bonds. The Crypto Freedom Alliance of Texas has been formed by a powerful coalition of crypto and blockchain heavyweights, including A16Z Crypto, Coinbase, Ledger, Bain Capital Crypto, Blockchain Capital, and Paradigm. This association is dedicated to encouraging knowledge and celebrating Web3's potential throughout Texas by promoting transparent and predictable rules in the field of digital assets. Their plan includes educational programs aimed at informing government officials, corporations, non-profits, and other organizations about the enormous value Web3 may provide to the state. Binance has announced that Binance Charity would airdrop up to $3 million in BNB to users who live in locations that have been impacted by the recent earthquake in Morocco. Only Binance users who have successfully concluded the proof of address procedure in the Marrakech Safi province on or before September 9, 2023 will receive a direct allocation of $100 in BNB deposited directly into their Binance accounts. Existing customers who complete POA between September 9th and September 30th will earn $25 in BNB directly to their Binance accounts. All active transacting users in Morocco, including those outside the affected area, will get an airdrop of $10 apiece in BNB. It is anticipated that these initiatives will reach about 70,000 Binance users who live in Morocco. A public donation address has been set up by Binance Charity. All proceeds from the donations will go towards helping a recognized NGO help individuals in need. Emergency earthquake appeal donations can be made in BNB, BTC, ETH, USDC, USDT, or BUSD. Now let's go to Vishakha to get an update of buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. Prominent cryptocurrency tracker Whale Alert has reported that over the period of last 24 hours, it has spotted two hefty transfers carrying millions and millions of XRP. One of them turned out to be made from a Ripple-linked wallet, although Whale Alert tagged it as an unknown wallet. A significant transfer of over 420 million XRP withdrawn from a major crypto exchange occurred, causing a nearly 4% drop in XRP. An anonymous wallet address sent 29.5 million XRP to the Bitstamp exchange, with details shared by Whale Alert. Ripple Labs, based in San Francisco, sent nearly 30 million XRP to the exchange after several similar transactions. Ripple has made at least 4 similar-sized transactions to Bitstamp, selling around 120 million XRP tokens. XRP was trading at $0.47, down 2% in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of $25 billion. Next on the list is Shiba Inu. Shibarium tech team member Digark has warned about a scam project called POSWAP set to launch on the Layer 2 network. According to Shibarium tech admin DaVinci, PawSwap is funding attacks on Shibarium and spreading FUD about the network. The project, disguised as PawZone, is set to launch on the Shibarium network. DaVinci urges the SHIB community to stay safe and defend the ecosystem from such projects. PawZone is the team behind the upcoming NFT marketplace Pawzar. Another user on the X platform claims PawSwap is not a scam and has been certified by Certic, a leading blockchain security firm. PawSwap plans to launch its decentralized exchange on the Shibarium network, raising concerns about its potential failure. With over 13,000 followers on its X platform, the project's legitimacy remains uncertain. Shibarium's lead developer, Shytoshi Kusama, emphasizes community research in influx of tokens and projects in the Shibarium ecosystem. Shiba Inu was trading down at 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4.5 billion. Moving on, talking about Terra Luna, the Terra Luna Classic has rejected a proposal to the L1 Terra Classic task force to test market swap with a limiter. The market swap function, which was disabled after the 2022 Terra Luna crisis, could help repeg USDC and revive LUNC price to $1. However, L1TF and Quant developer teams believe this is not resourceful. Proposal 11,767 aims to reopen the market swap using the limiter in the swap, reducing LUNC and USDC supply and helping the community achieve USDC repeg to $1 and LUNC revival to $1. The USDC Quant team and L1 Terra Classic Task Force have rejected the use of a limiter in market swap testing, citing issues with the market module. The proposal received only 45% yes votes, with 50% no and 5% abstain votes. Out of 38 validators, 17 favor the proposal while 17 reject it, resulting in the proposal failing to surpass the pass threshold. Terra Luna Classic was trading at $0.09, down 93% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Plutus DAO, a governance aggregator on Arbitrum, has proposed a token locking mechanism and a new incentive for ARB token stakers. The proposal suggests minting 1.75% of the token supply compared to the current 2%. The inflation would be distributed to ARB community members who lock their tokens, with the staking contract allowing ARB to be locked for up to 365 days. Users can increase or pause lock times and claim their ARB emission proportional to their locked tokens. Now, this could help differentiate Arbitrum from its Layer 2 competitors. ARB users who withdraw their tokens before the lock-in period could face a penalty, and the penalty collected is then shared between remaining users. The ARB community members shared mixed reactions to the proposal, with some asking for a different locking formula than linear and some supporting the initiative. ARB was trading at $0.77, down 7.77% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Polygon's Matic token. The token has seen a surge in user activity since September 7, with daily active addresses, volume and whale transfers exceeding $100,000 and $1 million increasing. However, the Matic price has continued to decline, reaching its lowest level since June 10. On-chain metrics such as daily active addresses, volume and whale transaction count are considered reliable indicators of an asset's short-term price trend. Large wallet investors are making moves without causing a stir in Matic prices, and whale transfers exceeding $100,000 and $1 million have also increased in frequency between September 7 and 10. Matic was trading at $0.50, down by 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.